You're listening to the Journal Party podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that until we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? Today, we're stepping into a universally shared yet uniquely experienced journey. Getting older. Aging is a gift, a privilege, and a journey of growth and self-discovery. So today, we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to reflect on the lessons learned, the wisdom gained, and the beauty of every evolving year. So go ahead, get your journals ready, because here comes your first prompt. Reflect on how you've changed in the last 5 years. What lessons have you learned? What wisdom have you gained? Reflect on how you've changed in the last 5 years. What lessons have you learned? What wisdom have you gained? Here comes prompt number 2. Think about a time when you felt your age. How did it make you feel and why? Think about a time when you felt your age. How did it make you feel and why? Moving along to prompt number 3. What do you look forward to as you get older? How do you envision your future self? What do you look forward to as you get older? How do you envision your future self? Here comes prompt number 4. Write about a fear you have about aging. How can you address and overcome it? Write about a fear you have about aging. How can you address and overcome it? Alrighty, get ready for your last prompt of the day. Prompt number 5 is, imagine you could speak to your younger self. What advice would you give? Imagine you could speak to your younger self. What advice would you give? And there we have it, another shared journey through the pages of our lives. Today we ventured into the world of aging, reflecting on the changes, the lessons, the fears, and the anticipations. Remember, getting older is an inevitable part of life, but how we age is often up to us. Embrace it as a journey of continuous growth, wisdom, and self-discovery. And that's our show, folks, so thank you so much for journaling with us. Hit me up on Twitter and Instagram at JournalPartyOMG, or even better, join our private Facebook group. I've got the link in the show notes. I would love to hear your thoughts, and please send in your requests for different prompt themes. Also, be sure to check out our mobile guided journaling app that's available on the Apple App Store, as well as Google Play. Just search for Journal Party or check the show notes for the link. There's a bunch of guided journaling programs on there and a growing community of pen-to-paper journalers, and we would absolutely love to have you, and I think you'll really enjoy it. And before we wrap up, I have something special to share with you. If you're enjoying our podcast and want to keep the inspiration flowing even after each episode, there's a perfect companion for you. It's my new journal prompt book, 365 journal prompts for daily journaling and self-reflection, available at 365.journalparty.com. I ordered a bunch of them, and so you can have a copy for free. Just cover the shipping. The best part? It's designed to fit right inside of your journal. You can just tuck it in and carry a world of inspiration with you wherever you go. And again, you can get that at 365.journalparty.com. And if you enjoyed today's show, please leave a review and spread the word so that we can make this an even bigger party next week. And I hope you have a wonderful week this week. Party on.